The dark comedy One Battle After Another racks up a leading 9 nominations at the 2026 Golden Globe Awards. The movie stars Leonardo DiCaprio as a washed-up revolutionary who springs into action when his daughter's life is in danger. The Warner Brothers film will compete in the Best Movie Musical or Comedy category against Marty Supreme and Bugonia, among others. For the Best Actor, Musical or Comedy category, DiCaprio will go up against 5-time Golden Globe winner George Clooney, who stars in Jay Kelly, and Timothée Chalamet, who is gunning for his first with Marty Supreme. Meanwhile, Julia Roberts, Jennifer Lawrence, and Tessa Thompson are all nominated for Best Actress Drama category. The hit musical Wicked for Good also bags several nominations, with Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande for Best Actress and Best Supporting Actress respectively. Coming from a hugely successful year, K-pop Demon Hunters is nominated for Best Animated Feature alongside Disney's Elio and Zootopia 2.